Guys, after work, andito kami sa Walmart. Kasi nag-grocery kami. Nag-grocery kami nung Sunday. Now is Wednesday. Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon. Nag-grocery ulit kami kasi mayroong ice storm. So, kailangan namin bumili ng extra food. Right, honey? Yeah. Super busy sa Walmart ngayon. Ayan. Look at that. Long queue. Where we gonna queue, honey? Here? Look at that. That many people. Ayan. Even my honey start from work. We go grocery. To just in case become worse the weather, honey, right?
Yep. You know how bad things is.
Yeah. Like last year. Very bad. Right, honey?
This year only 24 hours, but you never can tell.
Sleepy. Honey. Ayan, ang haba pa ng likod ang pila sa likod namin.
Yeah, my turn and your turn.
It's a lunky, honey. Dark already. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Ginabi na kami. Everybody's busy today now. Hey Google, what is the weather today?
Today in Collin County, there'll be snow, with a forecasted high of 25 and a low of 17. Right now it's 22 degrees with snow. There is currently a winter storm warning in effect.
What is the 22 degrees in Celsius?
22 degrees Fahrenheit is minus 5.556 degrees Celsius.
We are Tambahay kami ngayon. My honey bunny is working home. He's here working while eating and all white there, the snow. Yeah. I will not go out. I just loop in it. Oh, our front door is full of ice. Look at that. Yellow na siya. Kaninang, look at that, snowing. Oh, but it's still cold. Cannot see the snow. Yan, yung snow nalalaglag sa buko. Look at that. Yeah, it's so wet snow. It's windy. Ah, my hair. Look at that. Snow again. All over. Good morning guys. Ayan. Kakapi sa malamig na weather. Ayan. Look outside. Full of snow. Pangalawang cup ko na to guys. Sikat na yung araw. Ang aso namin, he like snow. How are you, Sarge? You like snow? Look at you. You not feel cold? Ay, he like cold. Gustong-gusto niya ng malamig. At kinakain niya pang snow. Hello guys, Thursday nagkaroon kami ng storm, winter storm, then all night, all day yesterday nag-snow. So then now the snow is melted, start to melt. So share ko sa inyo yung around the house.
Raining.
Around the house, the snow. While still there's a snow, right honey? Ayan. Ayan. The snow from the roof start melting. Natutunaw na siya. And still have all over snow. Look at Sarge, happy. Cannot open any the gate? Freezing? Charge! Yeah! Look my garden, guys. Freezing now. Even my honey cannot go inside the fence because the gate is freezing. What you get, Charge? Oh. Ayan, baba tayo. Nandito kasi ako sa terrace. Last year, nag-snow din dito, but it's, how to say, mas makapal din, mas matagal. Ngayon, anong araw lang, ang bilis lang matunaw ng snow. It's become stick. Yeah, sticky already, honey. Yeah, the ice is not. Yeah, gawa tayo ng ano. Honey, don't step on my heart. Yay! Look. I make a heart.
They walk in a heart.
Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Ah, my camera. Oh. Ito yung backyard namin. Ayan siya. And look, pakita kasi yung guys yung garden ko. Ayan, look at that. It become turn to ice. Yung fence niya. Ayan. Icy. Naging crunchy na. And look at the roof. Dripping now. Nag-stop na dissolve. You get some. You get some fight with me.
My hands are frozen. I don't have gloves.
Oh. Come here.
It's cold. It's cold. I have gloves on. My hands are frozen. I got egg.
Sorry. I know you will not fight back to me. Punta tayo sa front yard. Ayan. Special ko kayo habang kaninang umaga naglabas ako dito, hindi mabuksan yung gate. Well, still cannot now. Look at the car. Look at the the car, guys. Yung ilalim ng sasakyan. Ganyan na siya. Icy. Ayan o. Ayan. Oh. Mahirap to tanggalin kasi icy. Oh, ayan, natanggal. Ang ice. Ang kapal dito. Oh. Ah! Ang kapal niya. Walang step. Madulas yung ano, nagiging hard na siya. Madulas. Yan naman yung front. Harap ng bahay namin yan. All white. All white. Oh, hindi. Malamig yung hangin. Kita ko sa oh, yo. It's slippery. Yay! Not on. Ito yung road, guys. Turn to ice na. Kaya ano, hindi makapasok sa work. Ayan. Very slippery. Ayan, tignan nyo guys yung puno dun sa yung puno, naging crystal na yung mga ano niya, sanga niya. Kasi naging ice na siya. So ayan, quick pasyal lang guys kasi hindi pwedeng magtagal dito sa ice. Magkaka-frostbite ako. Kakaiba yung snow ngayon kaysa last year kasi last year is ano, matagal kasi nag-snow, ngayon mabilis lang nag-turn into ice. So yummy my soup. Ayun guys, ito yung dinner time na namin. Ito yung aking dinner. It's my honey food. Tacos.
My honey.
This fish soup. Salmon fish. Oh, the best. I like soup kasi malamig ngayon. And he's eating already his tacos. And look at guys, snowing outside. It's guys.
Bantang.
Kabrit. Oh, yummy.
Bantang.
Whole day dito lang kami guys sa bahay. May honey work from 8 to 5. Then ako natulog. Yeah. I'm doing my rest day. Ooh, I feel good. The soup is going down.